Hi there. In this video, we are going to cover how to undo in Notion. Let's face it, whether you're meticulously organizing a project, jotting down important notes, or managing a comprehensive database, mistakes are bound to happen. Sometimes you might add the wrong detail or accidentally delete something important. Having the ability to undo these mistakes quickly and efficiently can be a lifesaver. By the end of this video, you'll know how to undo and redo actions in Notion with confidence, helping you work faster and with less stress. So, let's dive right in. Imagine you have a Notion database open and you're in the process of making changes, like adding a new property. Perhaps you want to track additional details such as a due date or a status update. To do this, you would typically go to the top right corner, click on Add a Property, and then enter the name and type of the property you want. This process is generally straightforward. However, it's quite common to change your mind after making such updates. Maybe you accidentally added the wrong property, or perhaps the new addition clutters your workspace more than you anticipated. Luckily, knowing how to undo this action can save you from unnecessary headaches. To quickly reverse your last action in Notion, simply press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. This shortcut is quite similar to those found in other programs you might be familiar with, like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. So, if you mistakenly add a property, delete a page, or make an unwanted edit, pressing Ctrl+Z will instantly undo your most recent change. It's like having a personal rewind button for your workflow, ensuring that you don't have to stress over minor missteps. For Mac users, the same functionality is achieved by pressing Command+Z instead of Ctrl+Z. But what happens if you undo a change and then realize that you actually wanted to keep it? Maybe you reconsidered, or perhaps you went a step too far by accident. No worries here either. To redo your last undone action, just press Ctrl+Shift+Z on your keyboard. This shortcut allows you to jump forward, reinstating the step you just undid. For Mac users, you would use Command+Shift+Z. It's like having a redo button. So if you second-guess yourself or go too far back, you can easily retrieve your work. You can toggle between undoing and redoing actions as much as you need, keeping your database or page precisely how you want it. These shortcuts are invaluable lifelines, especially for those who spend considerable time organizing in Notion. They are not limited to databases either. Feel free to use them with pages, lists, toggles, and essentially anywhere in Notion where you might want to correct or reverse an action. If you're ever unsure whether a change was beneficial or not, there's no harm in trying out the undo feature. Press Ctrl+Z and watch your last action safely reverse. If you change your mind again, Ctrl+Shift+Z will bring it right back. Sometimes, these keys might not work as expected, especially if you're interacting with a different kind of block, like an embedded document or an advanced widget. If that happens, try clicking outside the block or page and then use the shortcut again. Don't worry if it takes a moment. Notion may pause briefly while it processes the undo, especially with larger or more complex databases. So there you have it. Undoing and redoing in Notion is not just quick and easy, it's also incredibly beginner-friendly. Remember, Ctrl+Z to undo and Ctrl+Shift+Z to redo. This powerful pair of shortcuts will help you save time, maintain a tidy workspace, and boost your confidence as you organize your Notion life. That's it for this tutorial on how to undo in Notion. If you found it useful, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful videos.